Hey everyone, I'm Brian and welcome back to Speak Up with Pashal. Today I'm going to invite another student to join our series. So, come on.
Hey, Frank, wait a
Yes.
minute. I want to make the video more interesting. So I would like to give you a challenge. Then
Okay.
you have to invite the student to join our video in Vietnamese. So that
Okay.
you have to speak Vietnamese to invite her or him. Is it okay for you?
Okay, so let me get this straight.
Okay.
I need to speak a language I don't know, some words I've never spoken before to invite a new student to join our series. Is that right?
Have you ever tried Vietnamese?
Only a tiny bit.
Okay, so
But-
let's go.
Challenge accepted. Let's try it.
Okay.
Okay.
Bạn
Bạn
muốn
muốn
tham
tham
gia
gia
tham gia
tham gia.
dạ bạn muốn tham gia
Bạn muốn tham gia.
Với tôi không?
Với tôi không
Được không?
được không? Bạn nào muốn, bạn cả muốn tham gia,
Dạ có.
có. Bạn muốn tham gia. Speak up with Tasha. I don't remember. Speak up with Tasha.
Không.
Không.
Bạn cả muốn tham gia. Well, I think I'm ready.
Okay.
All right, let's give this a try. Hello. Bạn có muốn
Cái gì? Bạn có muối á?
Bạn có muốn tham gia Speak Up with Pasha không?
Okay, of course, yes.
Okay. Hi, this is Speak Up with Pashal. I'm Brian. Thanks for joining us. I have here a student. We're going to ask about her experiences. Would you please introduce yourself to our audience?
Yes, of course. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Hu, and I'm now a student at National Economics University. My major is media communication. Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you too, Huang.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me about college life so far.
Yeah. I have to say that my university life is awesome. I've chances to meet amazing and talented people from all over the country. For example, first runner-up of Miss Vietnam 2018, Bùi Phương Nga.
Really?
Yes, she's also a student at National Economics University. And honestly, I expected people at NEU to be cold, but the reality is completely opposite. Yeah, people there, my classmates and my teachers are so nice, so I have no problem with understanding the lesson at school. Yeah.
So how are the students at NEU? Are they all pretty good at English?
Yes, some students already master English, but some are still struggling with complete the English courses at school. Some even treat English as a nightmare, and the compulsory standard of English one must achieve or graduation is a real challenge for all.
Okay, so what challenges have you run into as you're studying English?
Yes, I must say that we could not talk freely like this if you met me 1 year ago. Although I am a student who majored in English at high school, I got really shy when I talk to foreigners. I only did grammar exercises and I only memorized the vocabulary. So I had trouble with speaking and also pronunciation. Yeah.
Right, it's hard to have a natural conversation
Yeah,
if all
it's-
you've done is memorize vocabulary.
Yes, all of that is really stressed me.
And so it sounds like pronunciation and confidence have been challenges for you, but how did you overcome those?
Yeah, the situation continues. I came across a video introducing a method called curious about this. But that after only 2 months, I was so surprised by that my speaking skills have improved, and also I got more confidence when I talk in English, when I communicate in English, like I am right now. So I think that is the most valuable thing I got from Effortless English. Yeah.
Must be working. Your English is great.
Yeah, thank
So
you.
I hope you felt comfortable chatting here with us.
Yes, of course. I
Great.
enjoy it.
And thank you so much for sharing your experiences. I know it's really valuable for our audience to hear the experiences of other students and the success that you've had.
Yeah.
So thanks for joining us here
Thank
on
you.
Speak Up with Tashal.
Yeah, thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.